Hello everybody, I'm WeeklyCuber, and this week we are doing Let's Race Episode 2. So this is the Scramble, so for those of you who can read Scrambles, go ahead and pause the video now. Okay? And I did get the Scramble off of a Cheo Timer, which is an app that you can buy, or you can get for free. Anyway, for those of you who can't read Scrambles, I'm just going to read the Scramble out loud, and you can just follow along. So you're going to have white on top and green in front. U2, L2, F2, D2, F2, D2, R2, F2, U2, L prime, B prime, D2, R prime, F, U prime, L2, F prime, U2, F2, R prime. So don't look at your cubes. I'm going to move this piece of paper, and I'm just going to use this as a stopwatch. So inspect in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so I'm going for green cross. I say that even though I only know green cross. I need to be color neutral. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, that was a sub 20 solve. 19.811. Alright, so comment down below if you beat me or if you lost. And if you did lose, just watch my video before this episode 1, because that was a 58-second solve. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Let's Race, and see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.